If you have an airplane like a 777, 777 has 300,000 parts, okay? About 250,000 parts are precise manufactured parts. They have to meet criteria of geometry, dimensions, and tolerances. All of those 250,000 parts and more needs to assemble together and build an airplane. But in today's world, there is no one manufacturer that can do all of that together. So aerospace companies large in Europe, United States, around the world, all focusing on solving that problem. IQA is a software company, focuses on industrial manufacturing in highly precise industries. When we started the company about 12, 13 years ago, the idea was how can we take a 2D PDF image, use machine learning and optical character recognition, OCR, that will translate a picture into digital data. That technology, to run it 10, 15 years ago, was able to do only on a desktop machine in-house. Fast forward 10, 15 years later, if we want to break the boundaries of local manufacturing, all of that needs to be in the cloud. So for us, it's not an option. We have to stay, if we can, one step ahead. We knew we need to bring a set of skills that we don't have in-house. The concerns were, are we going to choose the right partner? The cost of mistake is huge. If you don't do this migration right, you may not survive. When we look for a partner, we look for one, obviously knowing the architecture, transparency and professionalism, fair pricing, and full commitment to our success. With Commit, we met all criteria. Through the initial vetting, we connected with their architect, with their project management team. We touch compliance, we touch security. And our programmers and developers and leadership of the technology team, they tend to invent everything in-house. So to see them over an interaction of 60 days, really trusting the Commit team was really impressive to me. We are doing something very meaningful. We help organizations to break grounds and fly to Mars. We help aerospace to fly safer. We help medical devices companies to manufacture parts better. And having that expanded team, cross geography, boundaries, language between IQA and Commit, we became one team working for that mission together.